here we've got a 4-row John Deere planter. It's got no-till. It's got 38-inch rows. It is a finger pickup, but it does have bean meters in it. So they were doing beans with this. We did not have the corn meters, but you could put corn meters in it. Very straight. It's just got some surface rust all around on it. Rubber closing wheels. Does have no-till. It needs no-till blades. The openers, they're getting a little bit short. It probably could use new openers. But very straight planter. It's got the nice original John Deere tongue. Markers are straight. They're not beat up. The boxes, they've got some hucky puck on them where they maybe cracked the box instead of buying a new lid. This one lid here actually. And this box here, it has an issue around the edge. But hard to find. Take it, paint it, pretty it up, whatever you're gonna do, but you're gonna buy it absolute on Tractor House Auction.